In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Kia Forte key fob. If you clicked on this video, you probably saw in the thumbnail that yours looks similar to this, but these images here, the lock, the car, they aren't a dark gray, they are like a silver. This is the same device, whether you have this one or the one in the thumbnail. It's the same device, the same battery, and the same procedure. So just follow along, don't worry, it's very easy. First thing we're gonna do is hold this button down to pull out the internal key. Set that aside. Here we have the keyhole, and right above it is a little indentation. Take a flathead screwdriver or a coin and insert it into that area. Hold firmly and twist. And you can see we've started to open this thing up. You can now just pull it apart with your fingers or go twist, working your way down the side until it comes apart very easily, just like that. And now we have our battery. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver or some tool that can help us to get under the battery, come in the side here and get under it and pry it up till it pops out. There it is, 2032. Take a new one, fully charged battery, and put the positive side face down. Slide it into place, click it in, and now we just reattach the two halves of the device. And don't forget to put your key back in and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, let us know in the comments section or by giving us a like. And for any more information on how to change the batteries in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.